The tricks of trade, from CapCut to PixArt fade. AI tools in high demand, guide your skills with steady hand. Editing those clips just right, photo shining oh so bright. Every lesson sparks the mind, techie skills you'll surely find. Learn to master every trend, craft your work with skill to lend. Tools for pros and daily grind, knowledge shared will blow your mind. From filters to effects so neat, every class a special treat. Let's dive into this techie ride. With every click we stride with pride. A world of magic at your grasp, undiscovered till you ask. Unlock the potential here, step by step the path is clear. The tricks of trade, from CapCut to PixArt fade. AI tools in high demand, guide your skills with steady hand.